So you've probably heard about Descript, the AI video editor that's been making a lot of noise. The big question is, does the AI magic actually live up to all the hype? All right, so the core idea behind Descript is pretty brilliant. What if you could edit video just by editing a text document? We're going to break down its best features, the common problems people run into, and of course, the pricing. So, what exactly is Times Descript? At its heart, it's an all in one editor, but its trick is text based editing. You drop in a video, it gives you a script, and you can edit the video just by cutting words from that script. Here's a look at that main attraction in action. Instead of getting lost in a complicated timeline, you're just reading and editing a script. For anyone doing interviews, tutorials, or podcasts, this is a huge time saver. Beyond just text editing, Descript is packed with some really helpful AI assistants. For example, Studio Sound can clean up your audio with one click, and the filler word removal tool can instantly get rid of all those ums and ahs. And the AI magic doesn't stop there. You can actually clone your own voice to fix mistakes with overdub, or even use AI to correct your eye contact so you're always looking at the camera. It's pretty wild stuff. What's also great is that Descript isn't just an editor, it's also a solid screen recorder. And because it's cloud-based, working with a team is as easy as sharing a Google Doc with comments tied directly to the transcript. Okay, so it sounds great on paper, but here's where things get complicated. A lot of users, like this person on Reddit, have run into some major issues with stability, which can be a huge deal breaker on a deadline. And here's another common complaint. While text editing is easy, doing simple video edits can feel surprisingly clunky. An action that takes a single shortcut in Premiere Pro can become a frustrating process in Descript. Now, this is a big one for professionals. The export quality can be a real letdown. As you can see here, a 500 megabyte file can get crushed down to just 23, which is a huge loss in quality that you can't really control. Rounding out the common frustrations are two big ones: slow customer support when you really need it, and a feeling that recent updates have added bloat instead of fixing those core stability problems. So, let's talk about cost. While there's a free plan to get you started, the paid plans have a catch with something called AI credits. Many users find they burn through these credits really fast, making the best features pretty expensive to use regularly. So, what's the final verdict? Honestly, it depends on who you are. If you're making dialogue heavy content and want a fast first draft, Descript can be a game changer. But if you're a pro who needs reliability and control, it's just not going to replace your main editor. One of the most frequently asked questions is about stability, and the consensus from reviews is clear. Many users point out that the app can be buggy and unreliable, which is a major risk if you're working on a tight deadline. And that issue of reliability is crucial, especially when you're talking about core business tools. While Descript is for content, a tool like eesel AI is designed for customer support, where stability and ease of setup are non-negotiable. Ultimately, whether you're creating content or supporting customers, it's all about picking the right tool for the job. You need an AI that's not just powerful, but also reliable and perfectly suited to your workflow.